Oh, good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode of Fishing Me DYangBass. It's early in the morning. It's around 6 o'clock. I'm actually here sitting outside of the Smiley barn. You can see there. Let me see. That's the guy. Well, that's the barn. Mike, he's the guy. Anyways, I'm here to pick up some panfish jig head before we go out and do some pan fishing, right? I know a lot of you guys ask for like what size jig head I'm using, like the color, the size hook and everything like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and answer all that today. We're gonna walk right in there and pick up the jig head. That way you guys can see exactly what I'm using. So with that being said, let's get in there. Alright, so these are the jig heads that I'm picking up. Dick Smith, they make these directly here, and these are the ones that I always use. Chartreuse, green, orange, white works too, but yeah, chartreuse, green, orange, and pink. Those are my go-to color. So today I'm showing you guys right here. This is the 1/32 ounce. These are perfect for bobber fishing, or if you want to, you cast 2-pound test too, but you need some of these. They also sell the glow too. You guys see there, the 1/32 ounce glow. Those are really good too. I use those a lot, especially when the water's like murky, darker. Then that's what you want right there. If you're looking to cast, the 1/16 ounce work best, and you know, deeper water if you want like a slow fall, like 4 to 6 pound test, mono. These are really good too. 1/16 ounce right here. Right, let me see. There you go. 1/16 ounce glow. These are good. But today I'm gonna pick up a few of just everything. So these are the teardrop floats that you would want to get for pan fishing. I'm sure, right? They're lighter. They don't cast as far, but they're good for like close targeting, like laydowns, rocks, and docks and stuff like that. It's the ones I use. I'm actually gonna grab two. Here we go, in the float section there. So all your preference, chartreuse or orange. I like orange more, but I want to grab chartreuse just in case too. They also have a bunch of like bobby garland plastic. You guys see here. My favorite is this guy right here, the ice out. This one is amazing. It looks better in person, but it's the one I use a lot. But yeah, their section of pan fishing is endless. So if you want to come check it out, just come look at it yourself. There's tons of great plastics, like everywhere. Super cool. Alright, so I drove 30 minutes to this spot because the water in Waukesha was freezing. Like, it was cold, guys. Oh jeez, caught a piece of leaf. Heck, it was so cold. I just couldn't fish it. I couldn't stand in the water anymore. So here we are, fishing here. I don't even know if there's anything here. It's cold. Jeez. All right. Grab your bobber. I'm gonna use orange because depending on the water clarity, certain colors is a lot easier to see. There you go. Okay, these are the toothpick. Very simple way to set up. You want to break the toothpick in half, right? Because you don't need the whole thing. Just break it in half. Throw it back in a bag, and pretty much. There you go. Line this through. Get your jig head. Okay. I just dropped one. Tie your jig head on. There you go. Let me just put all this stuff away real quick. That way I don't drop it. This bobber here is going to help you adjust the length of your, like, the depth of what you're fishing, right? I know here it's pretty shallow, so it's about like 1.5 feet. I'm gonna stick this toothpick right in here. And that's gonna hold your line from sliding up and down, okay? And I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's just like that. Bobber, line, and jig head. This toothpick is what holds it in place. And of course, we're gonna use goat minnow because that is the money. Money, money, money. Right here. Oh, I got some. I got some. Yep, I actually got a fish. I think the smallmouth's running real crazy. Oh, dude. Oh, it's a bluegill. Wow, look at that thing. Thing's massive. Whoa. It's so pretty too, look. Now that's a cool freaking fish. We are not keeping panfish today. So we're gonna let it go. But that is a beautiful, okay, nifos. Sunfish. So we catch another one. I'm wondering if I'm too, I gotta make it, so if you want to adjust it, just pull your line a little bit and then you can adjust the length. So I'm fishing like 10 inches of water, I guess. Oh geez, I just missed another one. Gosh. You can twitch it, you can float it, you can retrieve it, whatever you want to do, but they're in there. So you catch another one. Oh, there we go. We got another one. Little guy. What do you got? We got a crappie. Oh, man, this is exciting, dude. Nice little crappie here. Look at that, little guy. Still fun. You can see the bobber like tick, you know, so you know there's fish touching it. It's not the big ones yet. There we go. Oh, jeez. There we go. I felt that one. Oh no, and he took my he ripped my Gopro off. It's okay. Time for a new one. Nice. Oh yeah. You have to try to underneath this log. Got to. Oh, there we go. Oh, rock bass, hey! They're always under covers. Good size cut bait. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Gee, what a fighter. It's a fighter right here. Relax. Don't spike me. There we go. Yeah, they're still there. There you go. Oh, it's a largie. Oh, yeah. Relax. 4-pound test. Largemouth bass. Wow. Geez, you've been feeding on the bottom, right? Your chin is all messed up. Cool. Oh man, he's hooked good. Okay, there you go. Nice little largie. Oh, gee, that's a nice fish. Oh gosh, it's a nice bluegill. Wow. As soon as it landed, he picked it up. Cool. Man, they're such fighter, dude. Alright, so I switched over to an orange jig head to see if that makes any difference. And usually when I use orange jig head, I like using it on the chartreuse goat minnow. But that's back in my car. We're going to work our way back to go get it. But I think I just try this guy. Oh, dude, I actually got a fish. Oh, nice. Okay, okay. Orange worked. Wow. Oh, first cast on the orange. Oh, okay. Orange triggered it all right. Alright, so I got the chartreuse. We're gonna go ahead and swap this. Even though I like this natural smoke color, the chartreuse right here always wins my heart, okay? Just throw this guy back in here. Like I said, it was a little bit stained. It's not too bad. It's not too stained, but definitely having the chartreuse one does help with visibility. Let's water bottle in here so it doesn't cook. Put these two in here. Let's go. It's a nice day. It's just, man, when that wind blows, it's freaking cold. All right, let's go. Oh, big bluegill. Wow. Nice bluegill. Pretty tall fish. There we go. Yeah. I knew they were there. Oh, it's a fatty too. Nick at the line. That's pretty cool. Oh, there we go. See? There you go. I felt that one. Oh, that's a nice run there. Oh, gosh. Ho, ho, ho. They're getting bigger. Relax. They are getting bigger. Look at that fish. Ah, and he stabs me. It's okay. Got another one. Yeah. There you go. Look at him go. An ultralight rod, baby. Gonna find me a giant. There we go. Jeez, look at him go. Fight so hard. They're solid fish. Man, the color on these things are amazing. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Got a nice smallie. Oh my gosh, dude, he's digging hard. It's a nice smallie. Oh, there's two of them. Whoa, look at that. Look at that, guys. Look, look. There's two. Look, look. That's crazy, dude. Look. Oh my gosh, dude. There's two smallie chasing each other. Whoa. That was cool. Oh yeah. Dude, it was legit two smallies chasing each other. Holy smoke. Never seen that before. Oh, there we go. There we go. It's a nice smallie. Gosh. There we go. We knew they were here somewhere. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Yep, go down river. There. Oh, no, it popped off. Oh, it broke off. Dang. Yeah, I was trying to fix my line. It was caught on the spool there. And, yeah, I couldn't let the fish run correctly. Which is okay. It's all good. That fish came off of the Dick Smiths here. That jig head. 1/32 ounce. I can tell you guys, man, this stuff is deadly. Should have bought more, honestly, but it's okay. There we go. Bluegill, yeah. I knew they were there somewhere. That bluegill too. Oh, she's full of eggs. Wow.
fatty.